Have you ever wanted a Windows phone? No? Well, too bad. Your iPhone is now a Windows phone. I'm going to make it one. Give it to me. Yeah, so today we're going to be installing Windows 8, not 8.1, 8 on this iPhone 6s because pain. Although, yeah, it doesn't turn on, so we got to fix it first. Oh, well, that might be why it doesn't turn on. I've had this thing plugged in all day. I think I was charging 2 screws sitting on the motherboard. Okay, 1 second while I get those out. I was wondering where these 2 screws went. Maybe that's what's been wrong with it the whole time. Well, fix now, think later. Does it turn on now? No. So it could be this 5,500 milliamp battery, high capacity. Sure, that's possible in a form factor this small. This was the first search result for iPhone 6s battery, and I'm purchasing it for $990. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Battery. So they shipped it in this little thing. It just kind of feels like a battery in here, so that's good. Let's get it out. Oh, cool. The battery literally came in a bag with metal tools sitting on top of it so that it can get punctured in shipping. Surely this thing won't explode and catch my house on fire. All right, there's the battery. Got imprints of the screwdriver and the other things on it. Yeah, I'm probably going to be shoving that phone in sand when I'm done with it. Tools. The suction cup is in there. Oh, I'm not going to be using this one. What can we prop this screen up with? A mouse. There we go. Nope, that's not working. Something fell out of it. I don't know what did. What did I hear fall out of this thing? Oh, whatever this is. Okay. Yeah, I should probably get something more sturdy. How about a little stand? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, probably should take the screen out of here so I don't rip the ribbon cables. Screen is detached. Let's get the battery out. Hopefully it doesn't explode while I'm doing it. These things always work right. Well, that didn't last long. All right, hopefully at least this one works. Okay, well, oh boy. How are we gonna do that? I have a Dollar Tree gift card. I hope this thing is just completely dead so it doesn't explode. All right, it's out. Where is the Apple logo? It's on the battery. I'm afraid of this battery. I'm just gonna peel all of this adhesive out of here and not ever glue a battery in here again. Yay. I'm gonna try to get the Apple logo back. Okay, let's put this very far away in a jar of sand. Let's just kind of mash it in there. All right, it's sort of plugged in. I'm not screwing anything in. I'm just gonna see if it turns on. Yay, it turns on. So it was the battery. I'm afraid to put this thing back together now. Oh, that little piece that flew off was for the home button. There. I'm pretty sure that's how that goes. Home button presses. Cool. Man, I really need to stop recording all my videos on this stupid small shelf. Good thing I have this desk. That's right. Thanks to FlexiSpot, they sent me this desk. The FlexiSpot E6 is a height-adjustable desk, featuring a quiet and smooth dual-motor design to effortlessly transform you from sitting to standing. And when I say effortless, I mean effortless. Observe as I game in comfort as my couch easily rises to the ceiling. You may see that I'm slightly terrified of this happening, but I assure you, this thing is surprisingly stable with the situation I've thrown at it here. Also, it should go without saying, but do not put your couch on this desk or any other desk for that matter. Thank you. This desk features a 3-stage lift system for 30% more stability than 2-stage systems. It adjusts from 24.4 inches to 50 inches, accommodating users of all heights from 3'2" to 6'5". To control the desk, simply press one of the buttons on this nice blue backlit keypad. You can choose from 4 memory settings here, or manually adjust the desk using the up and down arrows. Unlike usual standing desks, this upgraded bamboo desktop comes as a single piece, offering a smooth, uninterrupted workspace. No grooves or misaligned panels here. The E6 can withstand impacts of 325 pounds over 20,000 times, meaning it is exceptionally durable. And if it still somehow manages to break, FlexiSpot is confident to provide a 15-year warranty. If you'd like to get one of your own and support the channel, click the link in the description. And thanks again to FlexiSpot for sending me this desk. Now back to your regularly scheduled chaos. Okay, well, here's the repaired... Ugh. Okay, well, here we are. Here's the iPhone. It sort of works. Watch. It turns on. However, this battery indicator, I've been messing with this for a month, by the way. This battery indicator is not correct. It says it's 28%. Let's give the phone a quick restart and let me show you something really cool that happens. Siri, no. 44%. Oh, now it's 28%. I don't know what I expected from a $10 eBay battery. Also, you'll soon see that the battery likes to discharge while it's plugged in. So there are serious things wrong with this iPhone, but that's not going to stop us here. Let's put Windows on here. So now we just have to launch UTMSE. There's one caveat. The SE in UTM-SE stands for Slow Edition. So this is going to be a miserably slow experience. We got to make a new virtual machine. I'm just going to download pre-built from the UTM gallery because I don't feel like trying to make it work. Oh. Well, there's not a Windows 8 one. Or, I mean, why would there be? Windows 8 is literally bad. That's all I have to say. Maybe the Windows 7 one will work for it. Let's do that. Download. Oh, I've already downloaded the Windows 7 one. Well, let me just open it in there. There we are. Now we got to get an ISO. Requires a bootable Windows 7 ISO. Well, we're going to do the Windows 8 one. There's the Windows 8 ISO. I can't wait for this to become a fire hazard. Oh, wait, it already is. Oh yeah, did I mention that my actual old iPhone 6S exploded when I put a battery into it? Yeah, here's a picture. It exploded. Do not buy batteries. Just let the phone die. I am afraid of this phone right now. I'm terrified. Anyway, let's see if it boots. Okay, black screen. Good sign as always. Will it become not a black screen? We got the UTM logo. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Oh, I think I was probably supposed to do that. Now it's doing whatever this is. Let's turn it sideways here and reveal the also dubious charger that I'm using for this. It's the only one that's charging this phone. It also has to be connected to my computer to charge. It won't charge from any other power source for some reason. Let's go back into it and try again. Nope, that's Windows X. Why is it... What is it doing? No, I'm not launching Windows XP. What is going on? No. What is happening? I am not touching this. Is it because my palms are sweaty? Oh, I'm sorry. Is it a little too moist for you? Stop. Don't boot Windows XP. We don't need Windows XP. We're trying to do Windows 8. The video is make a terrible Windows phone, and Windows XP is not Windows Phone. Windows 7. The data could not be read because it is not in... What is happening? Oh, okay. Press any key. Okay. Space. N, B. I'm pressing all the keys. Enter. I pressed a lot of keys to boot from a CD. Hopefully it does it. Got the UTM logo. Good. You can also see my ceiling. Not so good. Well, here comes the waiting part. Don't slide away. You cannot escape that easily. No, stop. Oh, we got those things, whatever they're called. We got balls going in a circle. I love balls going in a circle. That's my favorite kind of balls. Man, it took at least 7 minutes to get to this point. Can't wait to see what the installer looks like. I want to get my Steam Deck so I can play Lego Star Wars while I wait. Okay, I'm just a little slight bit terrified that this thing is going to be draining battery as I'm doing this. Oh, good, it's at 33% now. Oh, running low on memory. What? No. What do you mean it'll be soon be killed by... It's going to be killed. You can prevent this by decreasing the amount of memory or... I guess... Oh, it wasn't kidding. Yep, it killed it. It did. And we're at 35% now. Okay, well, let's try again. And can I give it less RAM? How much RAM does Windows 8 need? 1 GB for the 32-bit edition and 2 GB for the 64. Oh. Well, you see, this is the 64-bit version. How much RAM does the iPhone 6S have? The iPhone 6S has 2 GB of RAM. Great. We're going to do the 32-bit version. We got to find that. Oh my God. I have to wait an hour to download this 2.5 GB file. Well, it's been a day. There. Windows 8 x86. The worst version of Windows 8. I didn't even know that was possible to make Windows 8 even worse. Also, this phone has been charging for 3 hours, so that's cool. Also, I noticed last night, I shut it off and unplugged it. The phone was still warm in the morning. Something terrible is happening inside of here, and I feel like we have very limited time to complete this. So, go. Do it. Hopefully this time, it actually works. And I can turn my iPhone into a terrible Windows 8 PC. Oh, it's booting. Your PC needs to restart. Whoa. That's fine. That's fine and normal. Ugh. My hands are so freaking sweaty from this phone. It's like 800 degrees. Let's try again. Data could not be read because it's... Oh. Okay, I just watched a video from Skibbity Tech. What the hell kind of name is that, first of all? Second of all, this person said it took 3 hours to install on their iPhone 12. And seeing as this is an iPhone 6, oh God. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna have to just jailbreak this thing if I want any hope of this taking not 3 hours. And this dubious USB cable certainly won't be a problem. All right, well, here we are on the custom firmware guide. So we're gonna be installing Dopamine. I've already downloaded all these things, and here they are. And I just downloaded this and it told me it was a virus, so I gotta tell it it's okay. Hold on. Severe? What are you talking about? It just deleted it. I need that. It's fine. Give me the file. It's all right. Don't worry, Windows. Stop it. You can allow this on the device. Now we have all the files. So first we have to open Sideloady.
Stop. It's fine. Oh, Windows doesn't want me to jailbreak my phone. All right, how much ransomware can we install on here? Let's do it. Allow. Gotta go download it again. Actually, I think it just took the one from my downloads folder, so this one's okay. All right, well, there it is. It's installed, and the next step is for me to literally enter my Apple ID. So that's great. Your Apple ID and password will only be sent to Apple servers. I sure hope so. I sure hope this thing isn't lying. Side loading failed. Guru meditation. Could not find executable for... Holy God. Oh, I know why that is. Windows Defender. All right, Windows Defender. You've had your fun. Okay, seems to be doing it now. Let me check the iPhone. Untrusted developer. All right, well, we can take care of that. Yes, I trust myself. Trust. Well, there we go. Oh, this is just the Troll Store installer. All right, well, we got to install it. All right, gotcha. All right, well, now we're in the Troll Store. Wait, I have to have dopamine. There it is. Dopamine. Download. Do it. Install. Oh, I guess we're gonna jailbreak. I think this might have been the fastest I've ever jailbroken a phone. Wow. Jailbreak. Go. What do I want? I want Silio. Is it Cilio or Silio? Please don't airstrike me. I don't know.
We're going to be discussing the pronunciation.
Why is this a 2-minute video?
It's pronounced Cilio.
It's pronounced Cilio. This video could have been 10 seconds. No offense to this guy. I'm sure he's great, but why is this 2 minutes long? Anyway, wow. That is fast. Okay, I'm reading the guide here. If your device has a replacement screen, there's a chance, especially if the screen is of low quality, aka this one, the touchscreen will not work. Hopefully that's not true. I guess we're about to see. Oh, the touchscreen doesn't work. Oh no. Do I have another screen? I don't, and I don't have time to get one. Oh, it's working. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I think we're jailbroken. All right, after like an hour and a half of trying to get this to work, we now have UTM regular edition on here. See, there it is. And I installed it with Troll Store because I couldn't get it to install through Cilio. So I've already prepared it again as we've been trying to use it. Same exact configuration. Let's see if it works. Oh, why are we still seeing this screen? UEFI boot is turned on. Maybe that doesn't work in 32-bit things. I think I saw that somewhere. Let's try it now. Nope, still not working. Why is UEFI boot back on? Turn it off. Now will it work? Oh, it's booting. It's wrong. It's there. It's working. Oh, we got our rotating balls. I love rotating balls. I guess I didn't need to jailbreak just to make this work, but now it's going to be significantly faster since it has the just-in-time stuff. So hopefully it gets through the entire installation. Okay, I feel like we're actually getting somewhere. Every time I say that, though, something bad happens, so let's keep a positive outlook. Speaking of Outlook, we might be able to run Outlook on this. Oh, there it is! Windows 8 on an iPhone, and I can't wait. I can't wait for Windows 8. I can't see anything either. There we go. I'll just kind of zoom it in on the installer thingy like that. The mouse is a little bit laggy. The phone is also about 1,000,000 degrees. I am still afraid it might explode, but whatever. You know, sometimes I wonder with the things I'm doing, why am I doing this? I'm not going to use this after I'm done doing it. It's just gonna have Windows 8 on it for some reason and be very highly unstable. Oh, we got a screen. Oh, it needs a product key. I've acquired my product key. Totally not from archive.org, the same place where I downloaded this ISO. All right, let me type my wonderful product key. This is going to take forever. Hey, no. Do not. Thank you. Okay, moment of truth. Will it take it? Well, it's not saying it's not taking it, but it's also not moving to the next screen. I am glad we're not using the slow edition for this. I don't even think we'd be here yet. It did it! I totally accept the license agreement. Oh, it's going! It's installing! We're probably gonna be here for a while.
Oh, it's done. Hold on. I'm not recording correctly.
Oh, we're booting for the hard drive now. We're done with that CD. We're done with the CD. Windows logo. Cool. So what are we going to do once we're in Windows? We're just going to kind of laugh at it and say it's funny. Funny haha Windows version. Oh yeah, who wants to see macOS on this thing next? I do. Apple won't make a touchscreen macOS device. I'll do it. Come on, boot. I can't wait to use the OS. You know, I was hoping to maybe play a game on here. I don't know how that is going to work. I don't know, maybe a Flash game. I would like to try Half-Life on it, though. Could I put Steam on this? That'd be stupid. So either this could be a stupid Windows phone or a Steam Deck. It would not have any graphics acceleration, that's for sure. And it would be incredibly slow.
Wow.
It is taking so long. Oh my God. It just now got to this screen. It has been 2 hours. 2 hours of a blank screen of these little balls going in a circle. Very cool. We're finally doing something, I think. For some context for how long I've been working on this video, when I started this video, I had like 100 subscribers. Now I have 4,000. And also, thank you very much for that. I really do appreciate that. I think it's awesome that I have 4,000 people that want to watch me install the stupid OS on the stupid device. So thank you. Oh my God, is it really happening? 100%? I hope it just means it boots. If it's moving on to another step, I might explode. Just like my phone like 5 years ago. Getting ready. Just like I should be doing for bed. It's 1 a.m. on Thanksgiving right now. The mouse. Oh my God. That's it. We've made it. We've made it. Not really. No! What? No. What does that mean? What do you do? What do you mean? Did it just reboot itself? I hope that's just, oh, it just has to set up some things, has to reboot. Please don't tell me it's going to go through that whole 2-hour process again. Blue screen! And not the bad kind, I think. Oh my God. This thing is so hot. Unbearably hot. Like, my hands are sweaty. Hot. What just happened? I was just about to try to do what it was asking me to do. Oh, there we go. What should we do? What kind of ungodly color should we set this to? What's apple-y? I think like red is kind of apple-ish. I mean, it's the color of a red apple. Oh my God. And then what's my PC name? Y-phone. How about that? Oh, it's not typing. Oh, there it goes. It's just a few minutes behind. Whip-we phone. We're going with that because it takes too long to backspace everything. Okay, this thing is actually like burning my finger. Oh, settings. Usually I would go in and customize this stuff, turn off the analytics and all that stuff, but that's gonna just take way too long. Sure, Microsoft, figure this out. Huh? We're going with local account. What should our username be? It's gonna be whatever types in there, but my intention, my intention is to type YMAC again. What does that say? Iwi phone. Cool. Oh, yay. Finalizing your settings. Oh, would you look at that? Rainbow colors. I'm sure that's taking up a lot of CPU cycles. Let's start. I want to start. Is it going to show me the start menu? Was that a pun? Is that a taskbar? Oh, this is the most exciting thing I've seen in 10 years. I feel like I've aged 30 years making this video. Oh no, we're back at a blue screen again. Oh, it's whoa. Is it opening the start menu? Oh, yes. Oh, the glorious Windows 8 start menu, where it's full screen or no start menu. And this is exactly what I meant by turning my iPhone into a terrible Windows phone. Seems like everything is loaded. If I try to move the mouse, oh, there's no, there's the mouse. Oh my, this thing is so hot. I can't express to you, it feels like I'm touching a stove. I'm not making this up, this hurts. Well, what are we gonna do in here? Can I just put it like this and make it look funny? Look at that, guys. It's a Windows phone. Oh, there's more stuff loading over here. What's that? A red square? Oh, cool. My favorite. Ignore that up there. I bought this from some guy on the street. Yeah, it's my Iwi phone. All right, well, here it is. The Windows iPhone. What can you do with it? Not much. It can load the start menu. All right, well, considering the performance and how terrible this iPhone is to begin with, there's really not much I could try on here. I think I'm going to go ahead and call it here because it is 4 in the morning and I want to go to sleep. If there's anything else you'd like me to do with this iPhone, feel free to let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you'd like to see more, subscribe. And thank you for watching.